Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Ford Focus SD battery. First, ensure your car is off and the parking brake is engaged for safety. Gather your tools, including a 10mm socket and ratchet for the battery terminals. You'll also need a 13mm socket or wrench for the battery hold-down bracket. Don't forget safety gear like gloves and eye protection. Next, you'll need to gain access to the battery. This involves removing the engine cover and the airbox assembly, which sits directly over the battery. Once clear, use your 10mm socket to loosen and remove the negative battery terminal first. Then, do the same for the positive terminal. Finally, unfasten the battery hold-down bracket, typically with a 13mm socket, and remove it. With the old battery disconnected, carefully lift it out of the tray. It can be quite heavy. Take a moment to clean the battery tray and the terminal connectors with a wire brush to ensure good contact. Now, gently lower your new battery into position, making sure it's seated correctly. Reinstall the battery hold-down bracket and tighten it securely to prevent movement. Now, it's time to connect the new battery. Always attach the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal, tightening both with your 10mm socket. Double-check that all connections are snug and the battery is stable. Reinstall the airbox and engine cover. Don't forget to check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Finally, start your Ford Focus SD to confirm everything is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.